So this is our agenda for today. So I am showing you the PPT. You're able to see my screen right now. Yes. So this is our agenda. What is digital marketing? What is traditional marketing? What is a keyword and types of keywords? And why a keyword is very much necessary to a business. Okay, when we are going for digital marketing. So what are the topics, or else what are the uses of digital marketing? What are the topics under its roof? We'll just look into everything in detail. Okay, so it's just an introduction class for today. And from tomorrow, we'll just get into the concepts of digital marketing. Okay, so like website. Okay, so first in basic thing is like you'll know how to design a website. So you'll know what is a website first. So related things which are to website. Okay, and after website designing, and after that we'll just go into SEO in real time, where you will do SEO on your website. So we'll just look everything into real time. Okay, so what is digital marketing? So we all so any idea, guys, what is digital marketing? So you can just say, so it's a layman, if you what you understand what is digital. So just keep it simple. Digital marketing is nothing but promoting your product or service, or using your mobile phones or else desktops or tablets. I can say more in mobile phones and desktops, and making the destination as search engines. Okay, so we will promote our product. Our final destination is search engines, where by using these electronic devices as a medium. Okay, it might be a product or a service. So when I say product is a different, service is different. For example, if you sell a Maruti car to a person, that's a product. Okay? So when you when a Maruti car comes to you for service, that's a service you provide. Okay, that means so that there's a difference between product and service. Okay, so first in basic thing is in digital marketing, you need to know the difference between a product and a service. Okay, so when you know the difference, and you can just go in a different strategy for product and service. So you can so when you for example, if you take a Maruti Suzuki car, so you have already purchased sold the car. Okay, so then you will provide service for that. Okay, you can't provide service to the people who has not bought your car, right? You can only provide service to provide people who has buy your car, right? So that's where you should know the difference between how to understand your business. So if else you have to target customers who are in need of a car when you're selling a product. Okay, you have to target customers when it comes to service, when you have to target customers who are in the need of service of that particular bought car. Okay, so you need to know the difference between that first. Difference, you need to understand the business, how to target customers. So what's your goal? Okay, so everything matters in this digital marketing. Okay, so that you can target easily. You can target customers easily in the day. Okay, so for example, if you have a beauty, yes. So if else you take, you have, you know if you have a beauty product, for example, you can only target women. Okay, you can't target each and every gender group. Okay, you can only target women. But so when it comes to traditional marketing, it is not possible to target particular group or particular set. But in digital marketing, it is possible. Okay, it is possible to target certain people, a certain gender, certain age group. Okay, how is that will come to know? Okay, by using keyword planners, or else by using keywords. Okay, by using target search engines, or else social media channels. So there are many ways to target particular or set of group of people. Okay, so what is traditional marketing? Opposite of digital marketing, a bit. Not opposite, I can say, because you here it is similar actually, not similar also, but the way of approach is different in digital marketing. But in traditional marketing, the way of approach is differs. Okay, marketing is same. Here you are just marketing a product, and there also in digital marketing also you are marketing a product, but the approach you are going is different. Okay, so it's not opposite of digital marketing. Okay, so traditional marketing is nothing but marketing a product physically, I can say. So physically, like for example, billboards, radios, TVs. So you have to pamphlets. Okay, so or else going by using a marketing people, you have to reach people and market your product there. Okay, so that's a different method, that's a physical interaction over there. I can't say the traditional marketing has perished, but digital marketing is growing with it with a high pace. Okay, so when you have a website, you promote that website and you get search results on the search engines, and you just promote your product perfectly in digital marketing. But in traditional marketing, you have to, it takes time for you. Okay, it takes time for you to reach people. Okay, after reaching people, you have to convince them. Convincing is the toughest part in traditional marketing, and after that you can't analyze the customer behavior. If I say customer behavior, so for example, when a customer is coming to you with a requirement in traditional marketing, okay, you just have marketed a product by using pamphlets or else or else tvs, radios, or else billboards. You don't know where is he coming from, which platform he has used to come to you. You don't know that. Okay, you have, but in digital marketing it is possible where you can analyze the customer behavior. So where is he coming? Okay, so is he coming from your from the, is he be redirected to your website, or also from a social channel which you have to your website? Okay, so everything you can just track the behavior of the customer. Okay, so if else he is not liking something, you can just convince him. Okay, convince him because he is in a requirement of that particular product, but he is not something, but he is not satisfied something in with your product. Okay, so you have to rectify that. Okay, you have to reach it, reach to him. So that's analyzing the customer behavior out there. Okay, so here analyzing customer behavior is an important aspect in digital marketing, but in traditional marketing it is not possible to analyze the customer behavior. So that's a major drawback compared to digital marketing in traditional marketing. Okay, so now traditional marketing, as we discussed, so it's like manual method, newspapers, brochures, as we discussed. Digital method, you have Google, Facebook, Twitter, etc. Okay, so we have it. It is more time taking. As I said, why it is more time taking? Because you have to reach each and every person first. Okay, you have to attract physical. You have to go to them. Okay, you have to establish totally. It's not easy then. Okay, but unless in digital marketing, create a website first. Okay, go to customer. You need not to go to customers. When you create a website, your website will be on World Wide Web, on internet, I can say. That means you have started your marketing there itself. Okay, so now you will do SEO for that. That is search engine optimization. Okay, I'll show you the example. For example, these are the results which I have got when I typed data science course, right? So when you go down, so these are all called SEO results, search engine optimization results, are paid results, I can say. So they have created, for example, they have created a website. They are promoting on search engines. Okay, so how you promote is the part of SEO you do in this digital marketing. Okay, how you promote is like where you have a particular strategy for that. You have to understand the search engine first. Okay, you have to understand Google first. Okay, or else if you have Bing, you have to understand the particular search engine, and accordingly you have to prepare your strategy to come on top. Okay, so it tells you are on 100 page, or it's not on the 100 page. If you have 1, 2, 3 pages here, so maximum people who come on the search engines will be going with the top 5, top 10 results, I can say. He'll not go to second page unless until he is not satisfied with the first page. Okay, that's very much rare, right? So it's very much rare to go to second page. So it is very much tough when you are on second page here in digital marketing. So to come on first page, you have to do SEO for that. So you have to. So you might get a doubt. Everybody is doing SEO. Why are not they on top? So strategy matters. So learning SEO is one part, and preparing a strategy to come on top is another part. Okay, so that's that is SEO which you do for your website. Okay, so so less time taking. Why it is less time taking digital marketing? Because when you create your website, when you're promoting on search engines, it is easy to reach the customers. Okay, and when a customer is seeing your website, he is coming. You are not promoting it. He is coming to your website. When he is coming to your website, or else you with you for your business, that means there is a more chance. There is a large chance that you are that customer is going to convert, or he is going to generate revenue for your business. Okay, so that is the main asset in digital marketing. So expensive and cost effective. Expensive, you can just check your newspaper, or else if you want a newspaper ad, or else a TV ad, or a brochure ad, or else a banner. It is very much costly for you. Okay, and and here you can't even target a particular set of people. You have to target whole area or else whole state there. So it is very much expensive compared to digital marketing. In digital marketing, we have tactics. Okay, so we have tactics for getting results. So for example, if you create a website, you just purchase a website from the service provider like GoDaddy. You have heard about GoDaddy, right? So you provide, you just purchase a website from the GoDaddy. So that costs like, for example, for 1 year, I'm just roughly estimating like 1500. Okay. So after that, when you're doing SEO, that is unpaid results, you need not to put any amount there. Okay, you need not to put any amount there. Okay, so that's unpaid results. You can go with a minimum investment and you are promoting your product. Okay, so when you are promoting product and getting revenue from that, that means it is very much cost effective there. Right? Got it? And less customer engagement and more customer engagement. You can now say less customer engagement is because when people are, you are going to people, it is very much hard to reach the people and convince the people. So that is why less customer engagement is being done. You might reach very large group of people there, but the conversion ratio or the people who are generating revenue in that particular set of people will be very much low there, until unless they like your product. Okay, so but in here in digital marketing, more customer engagement. For example, if you have used social media yesterday, social media channel yesterday, you're one of the person out of 1.9 billion people who used that. Okay, that means if you see that number, the reach is very much high for social media. That means when you promote your product on social media, that means the targeted customers will come to you. Okay, the targeted customers will come to you. You no need to go to customer there. The targeted customers come to you. When targeted customers come to you, that's obvious that there is a conversion happens. There is revenue generation happens. So that is why more customer engagement, less customer engagement. If in here you have reached like 100 people, but the conversion is like only 10 people are interested in your product. But in here, the customer engagement, 10 people come to you and 10 people have generated revenue. That means it's 100% over here. It's 10%. So that's the difference between less customer engagement and the more customer engagement. Okay, so cannot track customer behavior. As I said, we can't track how a customer is coming with to you and what is his behavior. So whether if else he is not liking your product, he'll not say and just leave. He'll just leave. Okay, in traditional marketing, so you need to analyze again. So what is the flaw in everything? So it takes time for you. It is not easy to analyze that behavior. But in digital marketing, you have analytic tools. You have web analytics tools wherein you analyze customer behavior. So when you reach the customer there, that means you are acquiring the customer behavior. That means you are convincing, first creating awareness about your product there in the first step. Second step, you are analyzing the behavior. So what is meant by behavior there? Behavior is nothing but is he in a mood to purchase your product or not? So that's the behavior of the customer. Okay, behavior is not, it's not in a layman language. According to digital marketing, I'm saying whether is he in a mood to purchase your product or not. Okay, that's the behavior. Okay, so finally what happens? Conversion happens. Okay, so here you can just track the customer behavior by using analytics tools. You have Google Analytics tools where you can know how many people are coming onto your website, why are they leaving? We can estimate why are they leaving. So is there any problem with the website? Is it not user friendly when it sees? So you have to check each and every. That is called site structure analysis. We call it as site structure analysis. Okay, so we track customer behavior using analytics tools there. Okay, so that's the major differences between traditional marketing and digital marketing. Okay. So in previous class, I have already said about benefits of digital marketing. I'll just give you an overview here as well. Okay. So when it comes to digital marketing, we'll just look into how it fetches to a business and how it fetches to a person. Okay. So when it comes to business, it is like targeting right audience. As I said, when you have a beauty product or else a particular product which is related to a particular industry, you have to target that industry in using search engines or else social channels. Okay, that's where you target only right audience in here. Okay, you'll not go with each and every person who is not required, who is not in the requirement of your product. Okay, and cost effective as well. How it is cost effective? As you're going with minimum investment. Okay, as you're going with minimum investment and you're just putting doing SEO for your website, that means you're going with minimum investment. So you're getting revenue, but the investment you're putting is very much low. That is why it is very much costly. Okay, and so now it is clear, Manpreet. So till now, I think you understood what we are discussing in everything, right? Okay. So we spoke about how it is cost effective. Okay, how it is cost effective, how it is high return on investment. So when you are doing a business, you expect ROI, that is return on investment, right? So because every business needs return on investment. So you're putting out some investment, you will expect some investment. Sorry, you will expect some return. For example, it will be like you're putting 50 rupees, for example. You might expect something. So it might be 60 or 100, it might be double the triple the profit. But thing is, ROI is very much important in for a business. So here also, when it is cost effective and you are only targeting particular set of people, you are getting high returns as well. Okay, as customers are easily getting converted, because as they are in the requirement of your product, they'll purchase your product. So that is why you get high return on investment with minimum investment you're putting on a business. Okay, when you're going for digital marketing. Okay, and scale the business very fast. So in traditional marketing, I'll give you an example. So to establish a business, it takes time for you. If to reach the people, it takes time for you. Okay, it is not easy to establish in one day, or else not even one day, or else in 6 months, I can say. But in digital marketing, I am not saying that digital marketing you can just establish in one day, but it is very much fast compared to traditional marketing. If else you are doing SEO, for example, you are only doing SEO, you have paid results in SEO, or else you have SEM, that we call as SEM. Okay, in SEO, it takes time like 2 to 3 months. Okay, maximum of 2 to 3 months to scale your business. Okay, so that's where it takes less time, and your business will be on a higher pace there. Reach large audience. Reach large audience. What you understand by reach large audience? Because if you see here, uh, when you are on the internet, so everybody is seeing your business. Okay, so that is where you are reaching larger audience, not like small audience. You are not targeting the local area, or else not the small a particular area near you. Okay, you are targeting the whole world wide web then. Okay, so that is where reaching large audience is very much easy. So these are the uses of digital marketing. Okay, so for the business at digital marketing, these are the uses. Okay, so as a digital marketer, so what you have scope. So what is the scope of digital marketer? Okay, so for example, if you want to pursue a career in digital marketing so you can be an SEO specialist, I can say. So you can be an SEO specialist. For this, you will be hired, and you have to get results for the particular business. Okay, you should be on top. If else I am typing data science course in here, so you should get results on top. If you are offering data science course in the market, so you should be on top here. So when you are on top, that means it is very much easy to get revenue. So you can be an SEO specialist there. Okay. And you can be an SEM specialist, that is search engine marketing. So if you see here, you find ads, right? 4 ads on that small ad icon, right? You are able to see, right? So these are the paid results, I can see. Okay, we'll purchase ads from Google. Okay, we'll put ads in Google. Okay, these are the 4 results. If you see here, these are the paid results by Google. Okay, you can be an SEM specialist, that is Google ad specialist. Okay, and you can be your own entrepreneur starting a business. You have a product or service. Okay, prepare with your product or service in your hand, create a website. Okay, start your business, become an entrepreneur. Okay, it is very much easy. Okay, when you are a digital marketer to your company, that is the best asset of your company. Okay, because you will be doing business with ease. Okay, because if you it's your own product, you'll be doing it heartfully, right? So that's where a digital marketer, you can become a good entrepreneur. Okay, so and also you can become a BDM, that is a brand development manager. Brand development manager. So not only your product should have quality, or else promoting your product we should have quality, but you should be able to be present as a brand as well. For example, if you say wallets, mobile wallets, so you quickly remember Paytm, right? You quickly remember MobiQuick. You quickly remember some names, right? So these are brands which got already established. PhonePe, I can say, because they are already brands. So these are done by brand development managers. Okay. So how you develop your brand development, how you get to improve your brand is like going into the market with social media channels. Okay. So social media channels are the basic things to establish your brand. Okay. So that's where you establish your brand. Okay. So you can be hired as a brand development manager, and you can, oh, for example, you don't want to work anywhere, you just want to sit at home, and you just want to hire, but you want to earn money. You will hire freelance projects. For example, from the starting day, I can say from the starting day of this class. So first day, you are being a web designer there. So from that means you can hire web designing projects, okay, and you can hire SEO projects or Google Ads projects. You'll be, so there are many people who are seeking out there, who are seeking services. So medium scale and the small scale will not, can't hire people, right? So what they will do, just for SEO, they'll just give the business to the freelancers. So they'll help the small scale and medium scale to grow, right? So these are, that is why freelancers are hired. You just hire a project and do that. You have, for example, you have a website called Fiverr, 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 wherein you just register in that as you have a particular set of skill in that, and you just freelance. Okay, you become a freelancer and earn money. And here online earnings, be your own boss. Here online earnings is nothing but, so here you need not to market or something. Here you have to market the other products. It is very much easy because their products are already established. Okay, when you are marketing the other product, that means their products are already established, right? So that may, so if else you take Amazon. So Amazon, you become, for example, you become an affiliate marketer, and what you do is like you just partner with Amazon. So you sell their products on your website. Okay, you promote their products on your website. So when a purchase, when a sale is done for that particular product from your website, you get commission. So that's affiliate marketing. Okay, so that's very much easy. And thing is, process is like you create a website, do SEO, get results, and partner with Amazon, sell a product. Okay, sell a product and earn money, earn commission from that. Okay, so that's where it is very much easy. So now you got what is the scope for digital marketing as as a person, and as well as a digital business, right?